Hi everyone, welcome back to Elizabeth's Healthy Plate, where we turn everyday ingredients into a vibrant, healthy meals. Today, I'm showing you how to make a flavorful sautéed vegetables that you can enjoy with white rice or just on their own. Let's get straight into it. First, boil enough water in a large pot. Once it starts bubbling, add your sliced potatoes and carrots. We are going to blanch them for 5 minutes. This helps them to soften while keeping their color and nutrients. Now, drain the vegetables and quickly transfer them onto a bowl of cold water. This helps to stop cooking process and keep them fresh and bright. While the veggies are cooling, let's make the flavor base. In a hot pan, let's add a little cooking oil, then toss in your chopped onions. Let that saute for about 2 minutes until soft and aromatic. Now add your yellow and red pepper and give everything a good stir. These add your color and crunchy. Add a pinch of turmeric, black pepper, paprika, and a bit of salt. Mix well to coat the pepper and onion with all that spicy goodness. Now add your blanched vegetables to the pan. Mix everything together gently but thoroughly. Let the veggies soak for about 3 minutes. Just enough for the spices to blend and the flavor to come alive. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment below and let me know what's your favorite veggies to saute. Thank you for joining me today on Elizabeth Healthy Plate. And just like that, you have a colorful, healthy sautéed vegetable dish. You can serve it hot with white rice like I have done here, or enjoy it on its own for a light plant-based meal.